Forex. Iko Azua Towers Westlands. Hiyo nataka kuifanya university sasa. Iko one of the institutions recognized by the Kenyan government.
Why do you feel the need of kufundisha watu forex? Mbona usifundishe relatives wako ama your own people?
My relatives are doing it. Listen, my relatives are doing it. My close relatives, I know it's my younger brother and he's doing trading. And he's doing well actually. So don't you ever ask me that why you not showing it to your family?
Kuna cousins, kuna nini? Why the need? Why the need of you having a school na watu walipe?
My cousins ni wadogo. My cousins ni wadogo. I'm paying them school fees because I want them to understand the structure. Ukiwa wakubwa, mimi nitawafunza trading na nitawaleta hapa na wako witnesses.
No. What is the need of you having a school? Watu walipe?
I have the need because when I prayed God to give me a platform, I told God that whenever you bless me, I'm going to empower the young people.
Amazing.
I'm going to empower the people in the society to ensure that I bring better people up.
Amazing.
And bro, today, I swear on this platform that I've empowered a good number of people wenye or may grow in life through me, either directly or indirectly. Unanielewa? Yes, so there is need ya watu kama wewe kwenda huko wache 50,000 ya KTN bwana.
And on behalf of my boss, hiyo university yetu wewe tutakusomesha for free.
Amen.
Amen gani wewe? Imesema asanti. Sikiza. Hiyo university yetu iko pale Westlands.